my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm just happy to be back and I hope everyone is doing great. Before I get started, I just want to say a couple of things to you guys, and I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. I really appreciate it. I know I haven't been here much, but you guys, it's just always something happening and I'm so sorry for that. But I'm back and I want to start by doing a tutorial. So I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use some of my older plates. I'm gonna try to leave a link for the stuff that I'll be using, but sometimes it's not possible. But I will try. But this is just, again, if you do stamping, or if you're new to stamping, you don't have to have the same plate I have. I'm just giving you ideas of something you can create, and you can use the plate that you already have. So I just want to say, I'm happy to be back, and I'm just thankful that you're watching my videos again. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. And today I'm just going to be creating a beautiful mani, and I hope it comes out beautiful. Now, for this mani, I'm using some gel polish. So here I have Nail Addict, and this is BFF. It's a beautiful red. As you can see, it's right here. It's beautiful. I already have it on my nails. Let me just show you. I will leave the link for some of the products that I'm going to be using on this. And then I have this Apipila stamping plate. Now this is a super big plate. So this one is called Super Placa, and it's D. And again, this is the name of Apipila. This is a brand from Brazil. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find a place where you guys can actually buy it, but let me just show you the plate. And it's super big. It's like really big. It's like 1, 2, 3 hands probably fit in this plate. But I'm gonna concentrate in this image right here in the heart, and I still don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I kind of have an idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I will be using black and white stamping polish. I will be using some of my AliExpress stampers, I'm sorry, and some of this Born Pretty store stamping polish, black and white. And I will come back and talk to you guys at the end of the video, so let's get started. Guys, so this is how the mani looks, but before I top coat, I just want to do something else, like, and this is the reason why sometimes doing gel polish is really good, because if you don't like something, you can just go ahead and get some acetone and get rid of it. But I wanted to do something. This heart, like, I like the heart, but I don't like how close it's to the lace. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I need some acetone. Like I said, it's really easy to remove that because, you know, it's gel polish, so you're not gonna mess up your nail polish. Okay, so once you clean that, just be very careful. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and either I could just leave it like that. Maybe you know what? I think I'm just gonna get rid of this too. Just a minute. Yes, I think I want one heart here, and I want the love word right here, but I'm gonna move it more to the middle since I'm not doing the heart anymore. I didn't scrape good. Okay, so this is a very good plate. As you guys can see, the edging is really good. Okay, let's see. Perfect. And the letters, I'm just gonna stamp them right here. I think that looks better. Alright, you guys, so let me just go ahead and top coat, and then I'll be back to show you guys. And I hope everybody likes this better than what I first. This is how my nails look after I top coat, and I think I love the design. Again, you don't have to have the same plate I have. All you need is a lace plate and then some love words and a heart, and you will create a beautiful Valentine's Day manicure. So I will try to create a list of Valentine's Day videos, and I'm going to be uploading more reviews on my channel also. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and I will see you guys on my next one. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, you guys. Bye.